Hola, chicas. Buenos días. I hope that you're having a great morning so far. So, I just wanted to jump on here and explain something super important that you need to watch this video before we do an activity tomorrow. So, this chapter we're talking about how much things cost. So far we've dabbled in demonstrative adjectives. We've looked at like your vocab just in general, but if what we're trying to get to is how we can describe clothing, how much it costs, does it fit well, all of that stuff. So we kind of have to take it step by step. So today we're going to talk about how much do things cost. So how we do this is cuanto cuesta. Okay. So this equals how much does it cost? Okay. That's what we're trying to ask. So cuanto meaning how much, right? You know that question word. Cuesta comes from the verb costar, which we've done before. So let's just briefly go over that verb conjugation. So it is O to U E. So we have cuesto, cuestas, cuesta, costamos, costáis, cuestan. We're really only going to use this one and this one because you don't really cost anything and I don't really cost anything. That doesn't really make sense to say we cost. That doesn't make sense. So, um, sorry, I thought I had to sneeze. We're going to use cuesta and cuestan. I'm sure you can already guess. This is for things that are singular, and this is for things plural. So, kind of to put everything together, we're going to say, let's say you're at the store, you're shopping, and you ask the dependiente, the person that works there, um, cuánto cuesta en esta camisa. So I'm sure you know all these words now. That's why we had to do this first. How much does this shirt cost? So let's say you had a shirt in your hands and you say, how much does this shirt cost? And she would say either this or that, depending on just the situation. Camisa. Here's my answer. Cuesta. Let's say you're in Spain and they're using euros. In Spain, the number goes first. Oops. 50 euros. Let's go over how to write this. 50. Next week, we're going to talk more about numbers, but um, make sure if you have your notes, go ahead and find them. So let's do a little bit of practice. I'm going to give you some time to actually do this live time. So let's do that. Those shoes, notice that that's plural, cost 70 euros. These shirts cost far away. Use what we talked about yesterday. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple minutes. Do it. Then we're going to go over it. Okay, let's do these. You didn't finish those. Okay. So those shoes cost 70 euros. So esos zapatos cuestan de euros, right? So esos zapatos are plural. These are plural, so this has to be cuestan. These shirts cost 25 euros. Estas camisas cuestan 25 euros. That pair of shoes over there, or pair of pants, aquel, you can say a couple different things here. I'm going to say pantalón, or you could say aquellos pantalones. There, it really is fine. Depends on the speaker. But if you use this, has to be cuesta. This has to be cuestan because this one is plural. This is singular. Um, Either way, 85. Let's write this out. 85. 3 words. Good. Muy bien. Okay, ladies. That's what you need to be able to do this before tomorrow. So let me know if you have questions. I'm gonna put just a short little practice for you to do for your homework tonight, and you'll just turn it into Schoology, and we'll go over that tomorrow at the beginning of class. So have a great day.